Three. And we are live with the Wild West Crypto Show, broadcasting on location at the Boston Convention and Exposition Center. What a beautiful day we have. Big turnout for this morning event. Mr. Moshe Shadmon just got off the stage. He gave one of the most interesting presentations, I think, of the day. So tell me, Moshe, what brought you here? Well, tell me a little bit about Anylog and what brought you here to Boston.
Well, I came for this conference, so it's interesting. I'm only at the conference. I thought I would be able to see the city, but turns that I can't. So next time. The project is about, Anylog is about managing data. It's a new way to manage data, and it's actually delivering a new story where you could manage data without databases. This is a very new approach, and it basically tells companies that have large data sets, don't use the oracles, don't use MySQL, don't go to Amazon. There is a much better, much more efficient way to manage your data. It's focused on IoT data, data that is generated from devices. And basically we take the data straight from the devices into a network. A network, a distributed, decentralized network, which is backed by a blockchain. And with this approach, we're able to manage huge amounts of data very, very efficiently.
Well, that is really interesting. So now, is this a working model right now, or is this in a pre-ICO and everything like that?
It's pre. I mean, we're building the network. It's based on years of experience. I was a founder of a database company before doing Anylog. The team here includes some of the world's best database and blockchain researchers and industry experts. It's an amazing project. It would take about a year to make it live, and I'm certain it would change the way companies interact with IoT data.
Well, that is fantastic. So let's take let's take a use case. Let's say an insurance company. They have large amounts of data on their clients, and so how would we implement the Anylog solution with an insurance company?
So insurance company is very interested with data. I mean, it helps them to build their models when they provide when they give quotes for insurance. And actually, what they could do, they could say, "I'm interested in this particular data," and be able to receive it from companies that maintains the data. Let's look at an example. Let's say a smart city, right? A smart city has a lot of data. It tracks cars entering the city. It could track people walking in streets. And the insurance company would be very interested in that type of data. Now for the city would manage the data with Anylog without the need to build backend databases, which would create huge incentive for the city to push the data to the network, and then they can share the access to the data with the insurance company for rewards. Yep. So the city is very motivated and incentivized to work this way because they could transform their cost of managing backend databases to profits when they share their data with the insurance company.
Okay, and so I'm understanding the blockchain solution. I think you've explained it very well. Now, will you have a token?
It's all running on a token, that would be an Anylog token. And we, the founders, the team members, the investors here believe that the value of this network would be represented in the appreciation of the token. That's how we plan to fund the network, and that's how our investors are going to be rewarded for the risk that they are taking at this stage.
So you have hard cap, soft cap?
Yeah. We're going to do a token sale, and we plan to raise 20 million.
Okay, well there you go. Well, there you have it. So what's the social media, what's the website, how do people get a hold of you?
It's Anylog.co is the website. You could find us on LinkedIn if you'll search, and on Twitter.
Anylog.co. I've already invited him to the Washington Elite AI and Blockchain Summit, November 30, December 1. We'll have a bunch of people there. You'll be pretty happy.
Great talking to you. Great. Thank you very much.